moving. Oh, I gotta pee. Oh, side break. He must in her vagina. She's used to it. No. Okay.
What are you doing?
Trying to get up in there.
No, I just met you. Shh, I'm not like that.
You should be.
No.
Yeah. Come on, you know you want to.
No, your breath smells.
Here, okay then. How about now?
Aren't you supposed to do that before?
You shouldn't be so picky. God.
Well, maybe you shouldn't be.
Come on, let's just go.
Okay, look at this.